Okay, now when you go to count how many threads are in each bundle, you count 1, 2, 3, which is on the top of here, but also it's at the bottom. So this is actually 6 threads, or 6 ends as they say. So you count this and you count the bottom, and that's how many threads. This is, if I was going to do 100 ends in my first bunch, I would have 50 threads here and 50 threads on the bottom. So I would count this 1, 2, 3, and I would count up to 50, knowing that actually I have 100 on here. I take little bits of thread. I'm going to tie the sections off. If you look straight on here, you'll see that by going over and under that we have actually made a cross here, an X. I'm going to take my first tie and go through the X like this and tie it this direction here. This is a cross that when you go to thread or slay the reed, we're going to have to put our fingers in between here. So it's a way of sectioning things off. Weaving is nothing more than getting organized, being really organized on what you're doing. The more organization, the more little ties, the more little things that you do, the better off you are. I put my next tie behind the cross. And from here on, it doesn't matter much. Just tie it tight, because you just don't want these threads to start separating and getting worse off and tangled up than they are. It's a process of just keeping everything in line. Once I get there, I just go down the middle and I go around and I just tie a knot. Tie it tight. You don't want to have it slip. And that's what I'm going to do when I get all the way down to the end. I will put a tie here, and a tie here.